Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we have this interesting Olympiad mathematics question, and we have if 7 power y divided by 1 plus 7 power y equals to 3 over 7. Then we are asked to find the value of 2401 power y divided by 1 plus 2401 power y. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So in order to solve this interesting problem, the first step is for us to equate 7 power y to a constant. So in this case, we are going to use a variable a, okay? So let's say, let 7 power y equals to a, okay? So the next step is for us to insert a into where we have 7 power y in this equation, okay? So we are going to have a divided by 1 plus a equals to 3 over 7, okay? So the next step is for us to cross multiply, all right, and find the value of a, all right? So we are going to have 3 will multiply 1 plus a. 3 into 1 plus a equals to 7 will multiply a, okay? So let's continue on this part of the board. So we have 3 plus 3a equals to 7a, okay? So we are going to take this 3a across to this part of the equation. So we have 7a minus 3a equals to 3, and 4a equals to 3. So therefore a equals to 3 over 4. So this is what we got. So now that we have gotten the value of a, let's now concentrate on this. Now we have 2401 power y. This is equivalent to 2401 on its own is equals to 7 power 4. So right now, with this y, we are going to have 7 power 4 power y. So 2401 power y equals to 7 power 4 power y. So we are going to insert this wherever we have 2401 power y. So this will be equals to 2401 power y divided by 1 plus 2401 power y is equals to 7 power 4 power y divided by 1 plus 7 power 4 power y. So this is equals to this, right? So this can be written as, according to the exponential law, the y can come before the 4. So we have 7 power y power 4 divided by 1 plus 7 power y power 4. So this is equals to this and is equals to this. So right now, let's continue on this part of the board. Here, I've written down the condition that we used before. Let a equals to 7 power y. So we are going to insert a wherever we have 7 power y. So we have a power 4 divided by 1 plus a power 4, okay? So this equals to a on its own is 3 over 4. So we are going to insert 3 over 4 wherever we have a. So we have 3 over 4 all power 4 divided by 1 plus 3 over 4 all power 4. So this equals to, let's start with 3 power 4. 3 power 4 is 81 divided by 4 power 4 is 256 all divided by 1 plus 3 power 4 again, we have 81 divided by 256. So this is equals to, this is over 1. So we have 81 over 256 divided by, this will multiply 1. So we have 256 plus 81 divided by 256. So let's continue on this part of the board. Let me rewrite this. We have 81 all over 256 divided by 256 plus 81 equals to 337. 337 divided by 256. So this is equals to 81 over 256 times these will go up. Okay, we have 256 divided by, and these come down, we have 337. So this is equals to 256 will cancel 256, and we have 81 all over 337. This becomes the final answer. So at this juncture, we have come to the end of the class, and I believe you enjoyed the class. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification icon for updates on my videos. Thank you and goodbye.